Hello, this is Seth Barber for Group 16. One of the most important choices in a person's life is the career that they plan to go into. Now, there sometimes is not enough information about what career they want to choose, so we decided to help them out in this choice by taking data provided by the Bureau of Labor Statistics and putting it in a form that is accessible. People will come to the site here and they'll first go to the questionnaire. So you go to the questionnaire and they're allowed to choose some stuff. Now, let's say if they don't, they can select a salary range that they would prefer, select how important job growth is to them, like what their education level plan to be is, and what they think their work experience would be. And our algorithm will take this and apply it as a ranking to all the different job types we have collected from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and put it, and then using either merge sort or quick sort, we will sort them according to the importance as marked by the people. Now, let's say that they decided they weren't going to choose anything. We hit submit, then we tell them they have to submit concerning all fields. So we say, okay, let's choose a salary range between 8,000 to 100,000. Let's choose an associate's degree. Let's just say none for user work experience. And let's say that job growth is not very important. If we hit submit, we wait a few seconds and say results have been updated. So we say, okay, and here you go. So people who use this application will, based on their input, be able to see what occupation is recommended to them and what industry it's recommended in. So for instance, it can be a mathematical science occupation in insurance or in fund trusts. We display what the average salary is, what the job growth is in that field, so we can see these are all growing good, and then the education. And we can see that based on their other selections, it might be better for them to go on and get a bachelor's degree rather than staying with an associate's degree, because we did not want to limit them to just what they chose, but also wanted to provide recommendations for their future. Now, in addition, this does the merge sort. They're also allowed to use another sort, the quick sort. So if we submit it this time, say results have been updated, okay, and we see another range of options. Now, the reason why this range is different is because quick sort, unlike merge sort, is a non-stable sort, which means it doesn't preserve order. Now, this is an advantage to our application because it allows for the users to see a different mix of potential occupations. Now, a user might question the validity of our data. They might say, where did we get this data from? To answer that, we can go to references and info. We can either get to it by clicking one of this link here, or you can go to home and go to references and info. We can see that we here include the problem statement, talk about the Bureau of Labor Statistics, our goal for this project, who made the project so they can know it's, of course, credible sources, and they can also see that we got our data from credible sources and that our way of actually implementing or connecting our backend and our front end was also a credible and respected thing. So we're not doing anything sneaky in between. That is our overview of the demonstration, and thank you for listening.